Ajjiya.
Firstly, we would like to extend our warm welcome to our principal Chaitanya sir and beloved headmistress Joyita ma'am, all the coordinators, our teachers, dear parents and all our friends.
We have assembled here to witness the class assembly performance of our class 4th A. Class assembly is an effort to present a lesson on stage involving the whole class. It could be a result of inspiration drawn by a lesson or could be actual stage adaptation of a lesson. The attempt is to celebrate, to relate and to connect the lesson through visual images.
Today's first performance is a group song inspired by second language Kannada lesson Ajjiya Kai Thota. This beautiful English poem by William Blake is a treat to our ears. This poem describes happiness when one is amid greenery and chirping of birds. So let us put our hands together to welcome the group.
a beautiful performance. Let us give them a huge round of applause.